Hello all. We are currently running a GoFundMe campaign to help us with the hashtag Save Miradil Hassan movement. We have decided upon a project of amplifying his voice as far and wide as possible. To do this, we have taken several steps and are continuing to do so. We have spoken with at least one journalist from the Byline Times who is helping us to amplify the voice of Miradil. We cooperated with some protesters from Radio Free Asia in Germany to coordinate a protest speech. Now we are writing a book on the life of Miradil Hassan. In order to complete this book as soon as possible and have it published and advertised, we are asking for those who can contribute to our GoFundMe fundraiser. This can be found in the link in the description. Please, we need your assistance in order to really make a change for the lives of Uyghurs. As you may already have seen from our previous material, we are dedicated to justice. One of the last wishes of Miradil was actually to have his story made into a movie format. For this reason, we are taking the steps to accomplish this, the necessary steps. We will first start with a book published, and it will describe his story and amplify his testimony. As time goes on, we will consider how to make a movie about his life, and we are very serious about this all. Let us honor his last wishes. As you can see on the screen, one of his last messages to us before he got arrested was that he would like his life to be captured on film, or his story to be told through film. And so the best way to support us for this specific project is to make a donation on the GoFundMe page. Allow your money to go towards something that matters, something that will bring a positive change in the world, something you can be proud of doing to help in the fight against Uyghur genocide. Anything that is donated counts and is strictly for the purpose of the hashtag Save Miradil Hassan campaign. Please like and share this video as well. Allow this message to reach as far and wide as possible. Your help is truly appreciated. Thank you.